This tutorial is going to show you how to create and customize a written assignment for an ELD lesson on ListenWise. I'll also show you what the student experience looks like. On the ELD lesson, click Create Assignment to get started. You will be guided through a 4-step process where you can customize which activities and resources students see on every step. First, you have to name the assignment. With the ability to customize, it offers you an opportunity to differentiate assignments. For example, you may create one version for Level 1 students and another version for Level 2. Below, there are options to customize the resources that students see. The background building videos are directly related to the topic and podcast in the lesson, and you have the option to allow students to see them or not in the assignment. The transcript allows students to read along as they listen to the podcast, and the text help toolbar provides additional read aloud and dictionary supports. Lastly, the vocabulary is presented to students as interactive flashcards, and it's a great way to promote front-loading of vocabulary before listening. On this step, you can choose how many listens you want students to do. Each listen has a different focus and accompanying listening organizer. You can choose to include all 3, none of them, or a combination by checking the corresponding boxes. On the question step, we provide ready-made listening comprehension questions. You can add, remove, or edit the questions. When students complete their assignment, they do have the option to view it in Spanish. The ready-made questions will be available in Spanish, but any changes you made here in English won't be reflected in the Spanish version of the assignment. The last step is instructions. You have the option to add any instructions or additional information here. To complete your assignment, click Save. You're ready to share the assignment with students. Check the box next to every class that should get it. You are required to select a due date for every class, with the option of a due time. I mentioned earlier that you can create multiple versions, so you may only want certain students to get this version. Click on the class name to show the roster. From here, you can select which students should get this assignment version. Lastly, if you use Google Classroom, you can check this box to automatically post it to Google Classroom. If you want to schedule the assignment to release to students at a later date, choose the time and date here. Click Assign and you're done. To check on status and review student submissions, go to your Classes page and click See Responses for the assignment. This page provides a quick overview of assignment status, and it's color-coded so that you can quickly scan to see who has started or completed the assignment. We also provide time spent, which is a helpful insight into how long it takes students to complete their assignment. Click on a student's name to see their work. You will see their work on each close listening organizer and the response to the open-ended questions. At the bottom, you can provide feedback to students. To wrap up, I want to show you a preview of the student assignment so that you have an idea of what students will see. You'll notice the assignment is organized in an accordion style. This allows students to better focus on the individual steps of the assignment. I also want to highlight the option to switch the assignment between English and Spanish. This will change all of the text on the assignment to Spanish. Students can switch between the 2 languages as needed. In the vocabulary section, students will click on each word card to reveal the definition. The cards will turn green as students go through them. Next are the videos. The featured video will always be included. If you decide to share the background building videos, they will all be listed here. As a reminder, if students view the assignment in Spanish, the featured video will have Spanish subtitles. The additional videos will have English captions. Students will then listen to the podcast. The interactive transcript is available for them to read along with. If students are viewing in Spanish, a transcript will populate here. With each listen, students will complete the accompanying organizer. The last activity are the comprehension questions. As a reminder, if students are reviewing it in Spanish and you customize the ready-made questions, they will appear in English here. That's it. When students are done, they will click Submit.